Come with me as I take you through how you can buy 500 naira shares. For those asking and saying how possible is it that I will buy 500 naira shares, yes, I'm making this video to clear your doubt and for you to understand and know that yes, it is possible. In short, you can buy 300 naira shares. It all depends on you. But in this video, let me just clear your doubt and show you how it is being done. Come right down to your Afrinvestor's app and click on Invest. Come down to Nigerian stock. If you get to this place, you are going to see lots and lots of shares that you can buy. You can see you have different kind of shares. Now it now depends on you. After you might have done your dues diligently and get to know what you want to buy, what you want to go for. You can see we have shares of 1 naira, 3 naira, 100 naira, 200 naira, 500 naira, 1001, and so on and so forth. These are Nigerian stocks that we have here. So let's buy Oando. I don't have Oando on this account, so I'll be buying Oando for you to see that there is nothing impossible in the world of shares. When they say you can buy shares of 1000 naira and someone's like, how possible is that? Yes, it is possible. So just come right here and type Oando. Before we proceed, introduction. If you are just coming across my channel for the first time, I am Deborah Rafiu, recognized as a leading business registration expert, specialized in CAC, tax identification number, your TIN, SCOM, SMEDAN, and NIN registrations. Beyond that, I am an online coach, author, and also a proud mom and a wife. You are welcome to my channel. Let's proceed. If you've watched to this extent and you are yet to like this video, kindly like this video so as to tell YouTube that we are doing something wonderful right here. Let's proceed to our share market to go and buy our shares of 500 naira. So here we are. This is Oando. You can see Oando is selling presently at 48 naira. Yes, click on Oando, click on buy, and you pick the limit order that you want to use depending on you. You choose your limit order. I will be using market order and limit period. I will be going for good for the day. The numbers of shares that I want to buy. Let's say you want to buy 10 units of Oando shares. You can see it's 490. Then you click on buy now. You look at your order summary. If you are pleased with it, you click on buy now. Just a moment. You can see we just bought Oando shares right now from the comfort of our home, from the comfort of our phone, without leaving our house to any office. So you too can do this from the comfort of your home. And if you want to check that particular shares that you've bought, check out this video. on the screen for you to know how you can get to navigate to check out your portfolio to see the shares you just bought. If you have watched to this extent and you are yet to like, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, turn on your notification bell so as to get notified each time I drop any video right on this channel. And also drop your questions in the comment section. I will be glad to give an answer to each and everyone's question. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.